Oh, how's it going, you guys? Well, I'm out here tinkering with it again, and we're finally getting somewhere. So, ran to Harbor Freight this morning. Went ahead and bought a spark plug tester and a compression kit. So, and then I also bought new bulb line just in case. So got back, first thing I did is I disconnected the hose line, primed the bulb. I mean, it holds, but it's not the best. So aside from that, came over here, started checking each spark plug. Put the top one in, started the key, had to lean over, and wasn't sure if it was sparking or not. And then moved it down to the second cylinder and did it again, and at that point it's like saw it flash like it was sparking. Moved it down to the bottom cylinder, nothing again. And so I took it back up to this, I just redid it all again, and only getting spark on my second cylinder. So you trail that back, and these are it. So the bottom one is 1, center is 2, top one's 3. So we got to replace those 2, but I'll be honest, if I'm doing that, I'm going to replace them all. So I'm about 90% sure that's the issue with this, you guys. Just needs a little TLC. Starter bumps up every single time. So when I pull the spark plugs, they're getting fuel on them. I can smell it, I can see it, I can feel it. So I know fuel is getting through to the system. So yeah, I just got to find these now. And I mean, I'm not going to Amazon for that. So, but we're finally getting somewhere, you guys. I figured it out. Just took a little bit of YouTubing and a $5 tool, wouldn't you know it. So, you guys, I will talk to you later. There's really nothing else I can do at this point. You know, I diagnosed it that far. I could do a compression test on it really quick, which I might actually just do that for peace of mind. You know, if there's a bad cylinder, there's no sense in putting money into this damn thing if, you know, the head's busted or something, which I don't think it is, but, you know, again, just peace of mind. So, you guys, yeah, if anything, I'll let you know how this compression test goes. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, you guys, compression test on cylinder 1. And also found right here, this tape is covering up a short, so when you pop it, this sparks right in here. So definitely new plugs. We're at 120. That's pretty good. I'll let you guys know what the second one reads. Alrighty, guys, cylinder number 2. We're reading 120 again. So far, so good. Alright, I'll let you guys know what number 3 looks like. Alrighty, you guys. Well, 120 on all the cylinders. That makes me happy. So, leads me to believe it's either the CDI box or it would be the coil packs. Being as old as the motor is, what I'm going to end up doing is just go ahead, get all new coil packs for it, all new wires and boots, and then that should pretty much do it. More than likely get a new CDI box for it as well, just because. But you guys, made progress today, diagnosed it, and figured out we got a healthy motor. We just got a little TLC that we got to do. So, but not bad, not bad. You know, I was stressing all night last night. Am I going to have to buy a new motor? Did I get hustled? You know, which I didn't get that vibe from the seller. He was a very stand-up guy, and I even told my wife that yesterday. I'm like, man, there's no animosity towards the guy. I'm like, I don't feel like he screwed me. You know, he's just too genuine, too nice of a guy. And, you know, and again, it had paperwork for everything. So, you know, it took a $5 part to figure out that, hey, I'm not getting sparked to 2 cylinders. So I'm happy about that. And spent a little extra money, got a compression tester, and then that, yeah. So I'm a happy camper right now, you guys. It's not going to take very much to get this thing running good. And then hopefully by next weekend, we'll get this thing out on the water. So I get to spend the rest of the day finding parts online and placing the orders. So, yep. And that's it. I'm going to clean up all my tools and I'm going to go inside. So you guys, I'll talk to you later.